Hi, and welcome back to the how-to series on iC-R helmets. Today we're going to be going over the public network intercom for your iC-R helmet. Now, it is very important to quickly note that this is the voice talk option on your iC Rider app as well. You can access these features through the HUD itself. However, you will need to set up a party or lobby on your phone before you do so through your helmet. So, the first step to creating a channel through the public network intercom is to select that voice talk option from the iC Rider app. Opening up this feature will start a private lobby for you and anybody else you invite. Up at the top, you'll see an invitation code that you can send to other users. That way, they can either connect through their phone or through their iC-R helmet. To join a public network intercom channel, you'll need to do a few things. To join a public network intercom channel through your HUD, you'll need to navigate over to the intercom option on the second page of the dashboard of your iC-R helmet. Once you've created a team in the iC Rider app, you should be able to have others connect through both the iC-R helmet or through the iC Rider app. The user who creates the team is the team leader by default, and will be able to disband the team, remove other users, or invite other people to join the chat. To invite others to your iC Rider team, you're just going to use the Invite to Team button at the top of the iC Rider page. Once you do that, you'll just be selecting a third-party messaging app to send over to whoever you want to invite. To join an already created team, you'll simply open that voice talk option on the iC Rider app and input that invitation code. You will be able to leave any group that you join at any time, though you cannot affect anybody else in that group. As we stated before, you can connect to these teams through both the iC-R helmet, HUD, as well as the iC Rider app. When using the HUD, when you're on the intercom page, you can long press the OK button to mute or unmute the intercom. Similarly, while you're using the iC Rider app, there is an option on there to mute or unmute, as well as leave the conversation entirely. Now, a few notes before you go. Sometimes when setting up an intercom system for the first time, you may need to allow permissions through your phone or through the app itself. That's just a security thing through the operating systems that we need to work around. During the intercom process and while it's active, on your iC-R HUD dashboard, up in the right-hand side of the screen, it will show you how many people you are currently connected to. Finally, if you navigate over to the settings option on your HUD display, you should find a public network intercom option. If you go ahead and select this option in the settings, you should be able to adjust the volume for all of the different audio levels in the helmet. There are two specific channels, one for calls and one for all the other audio, and you can balance those to your preference. And it's that easy to set up a public network intercom using the iC-R helmet and iC Rider app. Thanks for checking in on this episode of the how-to videos for iC-R helmets. Make sure you check out the rest of the series, and we'll see you in the next one. See you then.